Question number 2, Michael McMahon.
Thank you. To ask the Scottish Executive whether it plans to review planning regulations regarding waste incinerators.
Aileen Campbell.
There are no current plans to review planning regulations regarding waste incinerators. Modernisation of the planning system, including Scottish planning policy and the Scottish Government's Zero Waste Plan, provide a waste and planning policy framework, and this framework includes restrictions on inputs to energy from waste facilities.
Michael McMahon.
I thank the Minister for her response and can I welcome her to her new post. I did it in her absence yesterday, but I'd like to take the opportunity to say it to you today. But can I also ask the Minister to confirm whether Government supports energy from waste incineration and considers such technology desirable? Will she confirm the Scottish Government has accepted South Lanarkshire Council's decision to approve the incinerator at Dovedale and will not be calling it in? Can she explain why her Government has accepted the reporter's judgment and overturned North Lanarkshire Council's decision to reject a similar plant in Coatbridge when she was so opposed to the one in her own area? And finally, can I ask the Minister to instigate a consultation on a new national framework in relation to energy from waste, so that all concerned can know what contribution the Government wants that technology to make, while at the same time preventing their imposition on communities against their wishes?
Minister.
The Government's commitment is to recycling, reusing and prevention of waste. Energy from waste is part of that measure. There are issues, as the member knows. Each planning case is taken on its merit and at a local level. In relation to Carnroe, the appeal decision is final, subject to the right of any party to appeal to the Court of Session within 6 weeks of the date of notice. It would not therefore be appropriate to comment on the merits of this development at this stage. In relation to Dovedale, as the member knows, I had made representation in my previous role as MSP for the South of Scotland, and in my new position as Planning Minister, it would not be wise for me to comment any further on that particular issue.